The BLACK+DECKER BCD6W portable compact countertop dishwasher is an excellent solution for small kitchens, offering convenient dish cleaning without needing a built-in unit. This dishwasher accommodates up to 6 place settings, including dinner plates up to 10 inches, making it highly suitable for small families or dinner parties. With 7 different wash programs, you can choose the optimal cycle for your dishes, whether you need an intensive clean or a quick rinse. The LED display with electronic touch controls allows for easy operation, including setting the wash cycle and delay start time, and includes a child lock for added safety. Its quick connect assembly makes hooking up the dishwasher to your faucet simple and fast, eliminating the need for direct plumbing or permanent installation. The stainless steel interior ensures durability and provides a sparkling clean for your dishes, while its compact design allows it to fit easily on most countertops and store conveniently when not in use.